Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to calibrate the motion control on the Nintendo Switch Joy-Con 2 controller. We go to Settings and Controllers Accessories. If you are going to make calibration of the motion control, we get the sticks into position and we push the plus button. That means for the right stick or the right Joy-Con 2, we use the plus button and lay down it on a flat surface. Then, if we are going to check this on the left side of the Joy-Con 2, we have to use the minus button as well. Then let it on the ground. Calibration is completed. Job's done, baby. That's cool. If you are going to test the buttons, you can go to test button mode and you can smash every button function as you can see and have a log that they are good in condition. I like a pro. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me, give me positive feedback. I hope to see you again on my channel. That's it.